Hello, we want to look at the parts and functions of the light microscope. This is a compound light microscope. It's called light microscope because it uses light to focus the image. So there's actually a bulb at the base here. So once I switch the knob here, light passes through, and then it goes through the diaphragm, and then the condenser lens, and then through the objective lenses, and then into the eyepiece or ocular lens. The objective lenses are 4 in number. The lowest is ×4 or 4 times, followed by ×10 or 10 times. So it's telling you how it magnifies the image. This is 40 times, and then that is the oil immersion, which is 100 times. You need oil to help focus when you use this objective lens. That is why you have oil written on it. So without oil you can't see any image. Then you have the stage where we place the slide to observe, and it's always best to put the lowest objective lens directly there, especially when you want to mount or take a slide out, because it gives you a wider space to pick the slide, compared to if you have something like 100, to be difficult to pick the slide. And you always have to hear a clicking sound before you observe. So that's the clicking sound. Then you have these levers that help move the stage sideways or front and back. The diaphragm also increases or reduces the aperture through which light passes. And then you can also reduce or increase the intensity of light with this knob here. That is the coarse and fine adjustment knobs, which are used in focusing the object. So you use the coarse adjustment for a very wide margin focusing, and then a fine adjustment when the object is already in focus. You use the fine adjustment to just fine tune it. Then you can actually see the light is emanating from the eyepiece or ocular lens. So if there was a slide, you'll be able to see something. I hope this short video helps. Thank you.